Plain Talk Reports, a TED-Med publication. Dangerous Belief 15. Omicron has replaced previous COVID variants, such as the Delta, Beta, and Gamma variant. The old variants are no longer threats. Current evidence. The old COVID variants are still with us, just in much smaller numbers of people. Delta, Gamma, Beta, etc. can reappear as fast as measles or an old strain of the flu. Older variants can combine with Omicron. Most Omicron deaths are unvaccinated, but 40% of current U.S. deaths are double vaccinated and not boosted.